Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn off auto-download for documents on WhatsApp for PC after the latest update. If you're looking to save storage space and control which files get downloaded, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your computer. Once the app is up and running, look to the left-hand menu. You'll see a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Next, in the settings menu, locate and select the storage option. This section allows you to manage how WhatsApp handles media files, including documents. Now, within the storage settings, you'll notice a list of media types with checkboxes next to them. Look for the option labeled Documents. To disable auto-download for documents, simply uncheck this box and that's it. You've successfully turned off the auto-download feature for documents on WhatsApp for PC. From now on, documents will only download when you manually choose to do so, giving you more control over your files and saving valuable storage space. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.